Unraveling Paymo's revenue, a deep dive. Have you ever wondered how much money Paymo, the popular project management software, actually makes? It's a question that's been on the minds of many, from curious users to potential investors. Today, we're diving deep into Paymo's revenue to uncover the secrets behind its success. Paymo, with its intuitive interface and robust features, has become a staple in the project management industry. But how does this popularity translate into financial gain? Let's explore the factors that contribute to Paymo's revenue and shed some light on the numbers. Revenue streams. Subscription plans. Paymo offers various subscription plans tailored to different user needs and budgets. From individual freelancers to large enterprises, there's a plan for everyone. These subscriptions form the core of Paymo's revenue, providing a steady stream of income. Additional features and integrations. Paymo also offers premium features and integrations that can be purchased as add-ons to the basic subscription plans. These features, such as time tracking, expense management, and team collaboration tools, can significantly boost Paymo's revenue, especially for businesses with complex project management needs. Enterprise solutions. For larger organizations with unique requirements, Paymo provides customized enterprise solutions. These solutions often involve tailored features, dedicated support, and on-premise deployments. Enterprise contracts can be lucrative for Paymo, generating substantial revenue. Partnerships and affiliations. Paymo has established partnerships with other software companies and platforms. These partnerships can lead to referral fees, joint marketing efforts, and cross-selling opportunities, contributing to Paymo's overall revenue. Factors affecting revenue. Market competition. The project management software market is highly competitive, with numerous players vying for market share. Paymo's ability to differentiate itself from competitors and provide superior value to customers is crucial in maintaining and growing its revenue. Economic conditions. Economic downturns can impact businesses spending on software solutions, including project management tools. Paymo's revenue may be affected by fluctuations in the overall economic climate. Technological advancements. The project management landscape is constantly evolving, with new technologies and trends emerging. Paymo must invest in research and development to stay ahead of the curve and ensure its products remain relevant and competitive. Revenue estimates. While Paymo doesn't publicly disclose its exact revenue figures, we can make educated estimates based on industry trends, market size, and the company's position in the market. According to industry analysts, Paymo is estimated to generate significant revenue, making it a successful player in the project management software space. Paymo's revenue is driven by a combination of subscription plans, additional features, enterprise solutions, and strategic partnerships. The company's ability to adapt to market trends, provide value to its customers, and maintain a strong competitive position is key to its continued financial success. While we may not have the exact revenue figures, the insights gained from this analysis offer a clearer understanding of how Paymo generates income and its position in the project management market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.